Welcome back to my channel. So much fun with Roz. This week we're diving into uncharted territory, making a skirt block. I'm so excited and a little bit nervous. I've never made a pattern before. I've never even sewn a commercial pattern. But I have watched every YouTube video there is on the subject, so obviously I'm a pro. At least in my own mind. And I wouldn't buy that either. Let's see how this turns out. You will need a square to keep everything straight, a measuring tape, a ruler, a pen, and some drafting paper. I'm using Christmas wrap. You'll also need to take 4 measurements: your hip, your waist to hip, and the length you'd like your skirt. Now we're going to make a line that is half of our hip measurement. And then we're marking this line in half again. Now we're making the length line, making sure that she's square. Now we're making a straight line down the center line. Now we'll mark the length on the right side. And now finish up the rectangle. We're going to mark our hip line. Make a straight line for our hips. There we go. Mark our 4 quadrants: center front, center back, right and left. This is the formula for finding the back seam. We're going to take an inch on either side of the center line. And this is the formula for finding the dart placement. Marking our dart at 4 inches on either side. Take the French ruler from the back seam to the center line on each side, creating a beautiful hip. And go back and take an inch off each side again. Use the French ruler and find this the right curve. It makes for a nice round waist. Let's mark the darts now. And we'll mark a half an inch on either side of the darts. The back dart is 5 inches long. And the front dart is 4 inches long. Mark an inch down from the center line and 2 1/2 inches from the center line on the bottom of the skirt. And then we're taking the French ruler one more time to create a nice line. This is actually the line that creates a pencil skirt. And now we're going to cut everything out at extremely high speed. Now we're going to fold and cut again, that way both sides are the same. And we're going to fold our darts and make sure that the line is smooth and cut away anything that isn't. The pattern is cut out, but we're not done yet. I'm laying it back on a new piece of paper to draw the seam allowances in. And each seam is 1/2 inch all the way around, both sides. We're also adding 1/2 inch of ease on the fold. Now we just have to cut the pattern out one more time. Well, that's it for today's episode. If you liked it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my sewing adventures. And also, I'd like to hear in the comments if you could answer this question. Is it called a skirt sloper or a skirt block? I've heard it called by both, and I'd love to hear the definitive answer. And next time, we are taking all of these jeans and turning them into a skirt. Till then, take care. Bye.